Geometry 276, the area of a sphere, okay? A sphere is a shape made up of all parts that are in equal distance from a particular point. So if you think of a point floating in the air, just floating in the center of the air, and a million little lines coming out from it that are all in equal distance from each other in all directions, and it's just coming out like a fuzzball, okay? Think of all the hairs coming out in all those different directions. It would be in the shape of a ball. Those are the points of a sphere. It's like a circle, but it's on multiple planes, and it's the shape of the Earth, okay? It's this. So if you want to find the surface area of this, you use this formula. S equals 4 pi r squared. S is the surface area, pi is 3.14, and the r squared is the radius multiplied to itself. So, I have a Scooby-Doo ball, okay? Here he is. Here's my Scooby-Doo ball, okay? Now, this point right here is the top, like it's the axis of the Earth, okay? So it would be the Earth spinning like this. So if I want to find the surface area of this ball, I know that the radius is 6 because I measured it from this center point right here to the side point. From the distance between here and here is 6 centimeters. This distance right here, okay? So, knowing that that's my radius, I can plug that into the formula and just multiply. 4 times pi is 12.56. Now I got to multiply it by the radius squared. The radius is 6 centimeters. 6 squared is 36. So now I got 36. We multiply these two together and we get 452.16 centimeters squared. Now the reason it's centimeters squared is each little square is 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, covering the ball on the outside like this. There's 452 of these little squares going all around the outside of my Scooby-Doo ball, okay? So that's why you got to make sure that you put the centimeter squared there, because it's a square centimeter covering the ball. It's not a straight line centimeter, it's a square centimeter. So you got to make sure you put that there. Does that make sense? You wouldn't think that that tiny little Scooby-Doo ball would have 452.16 square centimeters all over it, would you? That's how you find the volume of a sphere, and, sorry about the focus there, and we are going to talk, that's the area of a sphere, I'm sorry. We're going to talk about the volume next, so stick with me. See you next video.